Welcome to Masterclass Financial Nirvana Online. But what is this course all about? This is an intensive 8-week course for professionals and business owners who want to eliminate the dependence they have on the job, business, or profession. We do this by creating fixed monthly passive income using your existing wealth, the money that you already have. And by doing so, we are able to eliminate the dependence you have on your job, business, or profession. You're able to follow your passion for life, and most importantly, you're able to live with inner peace and joy without the money worry that comes in your day-to-day life. But why this course itself? See, Masterclass Financial Nirvana is an online course which has more than 20 hours of online content, which is an end-to-end solution for you to help you work on your mindset, your financial skill set, and also financial systems which ensure that you make passive income for the rest of your life. So in this 8-week long course, I will help you to master the game of money. We'll actually not just be learning, but also I'll be spending bi-weekly implementation calls with you to help you learn, implement, and execute every single thing that is required for you to get started on your financial freedom journey. Most importantly, I will ensure that your long-term financial goals are being met, your monthly income, lifestyle expenses are also being met, and the most important aspect of this all is that you are not having the worry of money in your life. See, I have a mission which is to help millions of people to live a money-free life, and you are one amongst that million for me. So this course is designed exactly to help you to achieve all of the things that I've shared with you, because I thoroughly believe that money is the biggest distraction on your journey towards your passion. So a little about the structure of the course. This course is actually structured over the next 8 weeks in a certain way that it is divided into 3 main parts, which is financial mindset, financial skill set, and financial systems which help you achieve your financial freedom journey. So we first work on the mindset to help you think like the wealthy, then we give you the skills that are required for you to start making passive income, and then finally those systems which ensure that passive income comes to your account come what may, month by month. And by doing so, not only are you able to learn but also implement using the bi-weekly calls every other Saturday with me, so that your results come within those 8 weeks of the course itself. Now, wouldn't that be amazing if you start reaping the benefits of the course while you're doing the course? With that, I believe you know enough to get started on this journey. So the only thing now left is to get started.